This video is a selection of the new and updated features we're excited to share with you from the November 2022 release. The full list of features can be found in the November 2022 version 20.22.11 release notes, which you can find on Brightspace Community. This month, we're highlighting the following features. Share achievements with public URL sharing for awards in the Awards tool. In Media Library, create content with webcam recordings and easily search content with improved filter sort options. Media Library also features view and download of audio transcripts to improve the content consumer experience, as well as introducing Media Library's ability to quickly access, create, edit, and manage all audiovisual content. Impulse, personalized notifications for email and SMS. And finally, a summary of changes for all the other features this month. Let's take a closer look at this month's features. Learners can now share their awards with a public URL directly from the Awards tool using the new Awards Sharing option. This method simplifies sharing a badge or certificate to showcase achievements. Learners can create a public URL for an award, which can then be shared on a digital resume or on a social media profile. Navigate to Awards, and then click the Share option for your award. Click Create Link, and then do one of the following. Click Copy Link to copy the link to your clipboard, or click Open this link in a new window to view the award details. The Awards feature implements the following pie item. D5202. Make awards and badges external. Thank you to Wendy Grisham for putting forward this pie suggestion to implement this feature. The Awards feature is available to all clients. To enable, ensure that the configuration variable d2l.tools.awards.publicawards enabled is set to on, and set the option to share awards to on at the course level. The first of our Media Library updates this month, this feature introduces webcam recording as an option in Media Library. Users can create both video and audio-only recordings, improving your ability to directly record content within Media Library. Note that the Video Note record bar is now changed to show the new recording option and the audio-only toggle. Navigate to Media Library and click Record Webcam. Set the audio-only toggle to the desired setting. The default setting is off. When you're ready to start recording, click New Recording. Once your recording is complete, click Stop Recording and then click Next. Enter the details of your content, such as title, description, and audio language, into the corresponding fields. Then click Finish. This Media Library feature is available to all clients. To enable, ensure that the following content service permissions are granted. Can access Media Library Management Tool for both administrators and instructors, can manage objects, instructors only, and can manage all objects, administrators only. Media Library now offers improved filter sort functionality when searching for files, making audiovisual content easier to find. Users can search for specific pieces of content using the following filters. Content type, audio, video, or both. Source, where the content was added from. Multiple filters can be selected. Source filters include Content, Media Library, Audio or Video Note, Capture App, Imported, content added from course imports, and Other, content added prior to the addition of source tracking. Date Modified, which is called Date Deleted in Recycle Bin, and Date Created. This Media Library feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. Users can now view and download transcripts from audio-video content in Media Library using Transcript View. This update also ensures that the media player experience is the same for all uploaded Media Library files. Transcript View allows users to pair playback of a video file with the captions scrolling. A button in the media player allows users to download the transcript in either .txt or the caption track in .vtt format to their device. In Media Library, open the desired content. Click the gear icon and select View Transcript. click Download and select your preferred format from the drop-down. This media library feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. Due to current limitations with the iOS Media Player, this feature is not available on iOS. The final media library feature for this release, which is now available to Brightspace Core users, offers a consolidated media processing, storage, and streaming option for all audiovisual materials. Media files uploaded using Record Audio, Record Video, Video Note, Content Tool and Video Workflow, Lessons, or Capture App, Creator Plus only, are stored in the same media repository. The new Media Library Management tool provides the following options: filter content based upon audiovisual type, update file information such as title and description, edit video timelines using the editor, create manual and automated captions for video content, download audiovisual content to a device, preview content, delete files, and transfer ownership of audiovisual content, administrators only. The Media Library consists of 3 sections: My Media, which contains your content, Recycle Bin, and Filters, which you can use to sort content in either My Media or Recycle Bin. To create content, click the Add button and then select one of the following options: upload file to select content from your computer, record webcam to begin a webcam recording, or create presentation to create content with the Capture app. The Media Library feature implements the following PI items: D6447, ability for instructors to manage video notes more effectively; D3840, add a title to Audio Notes 2.0 and Video Notes 2.0 file name; and D9189, edit video note title. Thank you to Carrie Meister, Ollie Fairs, and all those who put forward these PI suggestions to implement this feature. This feature is available to all Brightspace Core clients. To enable, ensure that the following content service permissions have been granted: can access Media Library Management tool, can manage objects, instructors only, and can manage all objects, administrators only. Building on the Personalize push notifications feature originally released in October 2022, version 20.22.10, this release allows you to choose which email or SMS notifications you receive by accessing settings directly from the Pulse app. Previously, you could only personalize email notifications through Brightspace. The Pulse feature implements the following PI item: D8239, controlling Pulse notifications from the student's profile notifications and settings page. Thank you to Clayton Rayla for putting forward this PI suggestion to implement this feature. The Pulse feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. Finally, let's take a quick look at the other features for this month's release. Enable the Ally Accessibility tool for any org unit in Brightspace with Anthology Ally. In assignments, expand or collapse the list of aligned outcomes. Share home pages, widgets, and navigation bars with multiple org units in Brightspace. Brightspace Insights features usability improvements in all Insights dashboards. With Data Hub, report on changes made to rubrics with the Rubric Edit Audit Log dataset, as well as track any issues or failures with the SAML Provisioned Users Log dataset. Override email on export with external email based on a new configuration variable with the Grades tool. In LTI, manage grade associations for LTI content in New Content Experience. Easily migrate legacy LTI links in a course with LTI migration. In Group and Section Management, create sections with unique section IP codes, descriptions now available for sections and self-enrollment groups, and improve clarity when performing deletion of associated activities. Org Unit Editor features improved consistency of page design, navigation, and user interface elements in Org Unit Editor, as well as improved table display and filtering for Org Unit properties and searches. The Quizzes tool now includes improved population method for calculating standard deviation. Clarify grading criteria by editing text fields in assessed rubrics using the Rubrics tool. And finally, new user provisioning option using SAML authentication in SAML. We hope you enjoyed this month's release highlights. As before, you can get the full details of this month's changes in the November 2022 version 20.22.11 release notes on Brightspace Community. See you next month!